So the second application that I'm going to be telling you about is Bubble.us. Bubble.us is a mind map making site where you can make a mind map and save it to your device to later show in the classroom if you so choose. So once you log in or make an account, you're going to come to this screen and you're going to see the make a new mind map or a new folder, which will organize all the ones that you already made as you see here. Or you can search if you have a lot of them and you're looking for a specific one. For today's purposes, I'm going to go into one that I already made and just show you how to expand upon that. So I click on components of the story, and this is what I already have. You can see I made a bubble explaining what each component is, and then a little child sticking out here going into more detail about what each word means. So first I'm going to add a bubble with no line, because today I am going to show the components of the story as told in Dracula. So I'm going to bring that above my components of the story and leave it up there. I'm going to go down to exposition and add a child, and that's going to create a line coming from the exposition box. The exposition is when we are introduced to the main characters. If you want to go more in depth, you can say it's when we are introduced to the main characters, Dracula, Lucy, and we are told who is good and who is evil, but I'm just going to do the basics. So going down the line, you can do the same thing with the other ones. Once you bring that bubble over, you can move it around so you can see all your bubbles. You can bold the text, highlight it depending on which information is most important. You can link videos or websites. And then after you're all done, you can go up here and save as. You can save as an image, an outline, or plain text. I usually save it as an image so that it can be shown at a later date. You will see a bubble I made later in my portfolio as the PLN, and you can add a working link to that already made mind map, and you can add an image. So I save it as an image. And then if I was using this in the classroom, I would display that image on top of the projector or smartboard and possibly give students the ability to edit this, come up and draw their own lines to more information that they may want to add.